Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to block an app from the firewall or allow an app at the same time. In my case, I'm just going to go with a short way on search. You just search for advanced and you will see Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Click on it and you will see this window right here. First, we're going to do the inbound, for example, incoming connections of the internet to that app. Now, you can either find the app here, but the best way to do it is you go new rule right here and it opens this window right here. We select program, next, program path. You browse for the program that you are trying to block from the firewall. You go to your PC. I'm just gonna go, probably I'll just do VMware that I use sometimes. You go to program files where your VMware is, right here, VMware Workstation, and here's the main app, right here, VMware Workstation. And when you select it, you just click open and then next. And here you can either allow it or you can block the connection, as I said. That's how you choose on it. And we are still talking about inbound rules, incoming connections to this app. Next, private, public, know that. I'm gonna hit next, and the name, I'm just gonna do VMware test inbound and finish. Now, to block it from the outbound rules, which is the ongoing connections, you hit new rule right here. This little window opens again, and we do exactly the same thing. You browse for that app, and here's VMware that we are trying to block. Yes, okay. Click next, block the connection, all selected, and the name again, VMware test outbound, and finish. And right now, VMware should be blocked from the firewall. I have my VMware here. I'm not gonna bother opening it. Let me see how that works. It should work just fine, and I'm not gonna enter the key because I don't have a key, so I just did it for demonstration purposes, and that's just how you do it. It's very easy, and there's multiple reasons that you might want to block an app on firewall. I'm not gonna get into the depth of why and what those reasons could be, but how you do it again is just hit advanced and you'll see this option right here, Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security, and boom, you're in where you need to be. You can do it through the settings and all that, but in my opinion, this is the easiest way to just go about it, and you can go ahead and do this yourself. And with that said, I hope you learned something from this video, and we will see you next time. Bye!